Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to compare the PostgreSQL versus MongoDB. Okay, so which one you need to choose for your project? Okay, so we'll see the difference between this and which is good for which project, that we will clarify here because these are the most popular database I can say, guys. So if you're confused about which one to use, stay till the end because we will break it down step by step with examples. Okay, so let's get. So first, you can see guys here there is, for example, if I'm using Node.js as backend and there is a PostgreSQL or MongoDB if you're using. So for that we'll see. Okay, so you can see guys the introduction will be what. So choosing the right database affects your performance, right? Correct, it is. Okay, then scalability and development speed. So it is very important, guys, for your project which database you're choosing. So depends on that only your application, whatever your project is, that it will work, the performance of that, the speed of that, the searching quality, everything will be depends on database, guys. Okay, so that is very important. And SQL versus no SQL is nothing but not only SQL is a common confusion. Okay, so let's clarify both the things. Okay, so PostgreSQL is nothing but what? It is a relational database, that is SQL based database, okay, that organize the data in tables and rows and columns. Okay, so as you know, maybe you know the SQL database, right? How the data will be. So I'll show you one more thing, guys. Here, so you can see, guys, here we have come. So the column and row wise data means what? Organized data is nothing but what? For example, here, see, okay, here I'll create columns. Okay, and here there will be a rows. Right now it is not coming, but while creating it will be correct only. Okay, so see guys, this is a rows and columns. So SQL data will be how it will be in rows and column format. So you can give here name. For example, if you want to give here any name, you can write here name like an a yummy. Okay, so here name will come. If you want to add email, you can add the email. If you want mobile number and address, again what left, phone number, email address, gender, here we are gender. Okay, so here the data will be in organized format. Okay, so this I want to tell you, so I have come here. Okay, so now we'll move to there. Okay, so here data will be in organ, as I shown you, it will be in table format, rows and columns will be there. Okay, and it support the ACID transaction is nothing but, you can see guys, the full form is here, that is atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. Meaning is what? High data integrity. Okay, so this is ACID is nothing but this only. If you're confused, then don't get confused, guys. Just the important thing is it is high data integrity, it has high data integrity. Okay, then for example, if you want to use this, where we use PostgreSQL, mostly where we use, okay, so it will be used in bankings. There will be a large number of data, right? Bankings, in finance, e-commerce also, and CRM system. So there we can use this PostgreSQL. Okay, then next, suppose if you're going for MongoDB, you know guys, MongoDB is also one database. Okay, so NoSQL database that stores the data in JSON like documents instead of tables. Okay, so NoSQL is nothing but not only SQL. Okay, so here we are storing the data in JSON format. You know the JSON format, guys, how it will be. So I'll show you that also, guys. For example, so guys, if you come here, I'll delete this everything. Okay, so the JSON format here, it will be like this, guys. You know, guys, it will be curly braces. There will be curly braces, and here the variable name will be there. Here the value will be there. Then again variable name will be there. Then again here value will be there. Like so, this is the JSON format. So if you're going for MongoDB, the data will be in this format, not in table and rows. Okay, so I hope you got the clarification between PostgreSQL and MongoDB, how the database will be. Okay, if you have any question, you can comment, guys. And one more thing is, if you're new to my channel, then like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I will bring this lots of information regarding coding, regarding Razorpay, React, Python, everything. Okay, so just subscribe. describe. Fine. You got guys how the data will be JSON format means what? This schema less. Okay, so meaning more flexibility for changing the data structure. So it has more flexibility. We can change the data structure easily. Okay, then we use it in real-time applications of, for example, IoT. If you are doing any IoT project, there we can use. If you are doing chat application means the data will be real time, right? We are chatting in real, right? So we can use chat apps, and even we can use the social media platform. Consider social media platform. There we use this MongoDB. Okay, then take key takeaways. What is PostgreSQL is nothing but structured data. Okay, as I told you, and MongoDB is nothing but flexible data. We can modify the data. Flexible means okay, so we can change the data structure like that. It is okay. So this is about the PostgreSQL and MongoDB. Next, we'll see guys. So what are PostgreSQL and MongoDB? So as I told you, it is SQL-based structured ACID complaint best for enterprises app. And if you're going for MongoDB, NoSQL, not only SQL, flexible, document-based, and best for real-time applications. I told right. Okay, so example you can see guys here already I have given you, but once again I'll show you. So you can see the example will be like this. So here it is in correct format, nice format I can see. So here you can see there is name, email, address, mobile, right? So here we can add the data. So it is a structure format. Okay, if you go for MongoDB, you can see guys here the data in JSON format. As I told you, in MongoDB, the data will be in JSON format. Okay, so here you can see there is an ID, name, email. So here we are writing in this format, like documented format. Okay, so if you consider guys the difference between the MongoDB and PostgreSQL is what means that is like a PostgreSQL. If you go for PostgreSQL, it requires a predefined schemas. Okay, and for example, if you're going for MongoDB, it allows the dynamic data structure. Okay, so we'll see here guys the features PostgreSQL MongoDB. Okay, so you can see the features. So data model is as I told you, it is structured in table format, and MongoDB is in flexible. Okay, which is JSON format. Query language, here it will be SQL, and here it is MQL. MQL is nothing but is Mongo query language. Okay, scalability is vertical, and here it is horizontal. Okay, performance, you can see guys the performance is very important. So best for complex queries. If you are doing any complex queries, the PostgreSQL is best. And if you are going for fast large data set, then the MongoDB is best. So use cases where we can use that. So if you are doing any banking project, CRM, ERP, there we use. And if you're doing any IoT, chat, and social media, go for MongoDB. Okay, fine. So as PostgreSQL performance, we'll see guys now how it will be. So excellent for complex queries and structured data, as I told you. If there are any complex queries, go for PostgreSQL. Okay, then it uses the indexes and joins for faster queries. Best when you need high data consistency. Okay, so there you can go for PostgreSQL guys. And coming to MongoDB performance, you can see great for large scale application that requires fast read and write operation. See guys, large scale application if it is there, and if you require fast read and write operation, then go for MongoDB. Okay, and scales horizontally, which means distributes the data across multiple servers. Yeah, that is also great. Then used for by Facebook. See, already where it is used means by Facebook, Uber, and Twitter for handling the massive amount of unstructured data. You can see this. There will be unstructured data. So to handle that, they're using MongoDB. If you go for Facebook, Uber, Twitter, okay, fine. So this is the performance. Okay. So when to use PostgreSQL? Suppose now if your question where to use the PostgreSQL and where to use the MongoDB, then I'll tell you some hint guys, okay, where you can use that and which database you need to choose for your project. Okay, so we will see that also. So let's summarize it. Okay, so if you need structured and relational data or any well organized data, and if you have any complex queries also, then guys you can go for PostgreSQL. Okay, and if your app has complex transaction like banking, CRM, analytics, like this app if you're doing, then go for PostgreSQL. And if data integrity and security are key, for example, there should be a security and all, then go for PostgreSQL, guys. Okay. Then, if we consider MongoDB, then suppose if your data is unstructured and changes frequently, it changes if it is changes frequently, then you can choose the MongoDB. Even if you need, sorry, if you need fast read write operations, go for this. High speed data access and scalability is there, so you can use this, guys. And in real time applications, if you're working on any real time applications like IoT, chat, then any content management system, okay, then any big data is there, then guys you can go for this. So there you have it, guys. Now you can tell me, guys, which one you will choose. Okay, so here there is some final recommendation. So choose PostgreSQL for structure and complex data and transaction. Choose MongoDB for flexibility, speed, and scalability. Okay, many apps use both. Oh yeah, that is also there, guys. Many apps use both PostgreSQL for transaction plus MongoDB for fast access, so you can do that also. Okay, and as I told you, there are many applications which are using both, that is PostgreSQL also and transaction also. Sorry, and MongoDB also. Okay, for transaction and MongoDB for fast access. So you can go for both also, because if you use both, the your application speed, uh, flexibility, everything will increase, guys. Okay, so you can choose that. So the final is one more thing I'll tell you, guys. So guys, let me know which one you will choose in the comment. Okay, if you're going for MongoDB, just write MongoDB. If you're going for PostgreSQL, you can write only SQL, no problem. Okay, so let me know in the comment below, guys. And if you found this helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. So, and if you are more aware some tech videos like this, then guys, just subscribe it. Okay. So see you in the next one. So stay connected. Thank you so much, everyone.